What's up, everybody? Working on another EZGO TXT 36 volt model, and the guy said he was riding and the cart just stopped, and we got to investigating. We checked the battery voltage to see what the pack voltage was. It was perfect, 37.5 volts. We did a little gandering at the forward and reverse switch to see if we seen any melted issues there, and we did not. So we worked our way to the motor here, and what we have found is these two cables here, these two are melted together. The one on the left side here of the camera is your forward and reverse polarity cables, and then this one here would be your power to the motor, and then of course on the opposite side it's exactly the opposite. It's your reverse and then your ground. And it's really hard to see, but you can see this little shiny area right there that is a big bubble of melted wire. And more than likely this has caused damage to the controller on the inside of this box, and that's where we're going to look at next, just to make sure that we could possibly still have a good controller or not. So stay tuned. Alright, everybody, so this has been the culprit of the golf cart not running. You can see the weld there. These two wires had just gotten so hot that it basically melted the jacket off of it, and those two wires got touched, and that's how they were laying on there, just welded together like this. And what we actually found is that the M- on the controller had welded itself to the A1 position on the motor, so it just basically shut down operation of the golf cart, period. So we replaced the cables. Obviously you can see new bigger gauge cable there. That's what I typically do, is go ahead and upsize, because if it's melted that one time, it'll melt it again on that small wire. So if you upgrade to like a 4 gauge cable on this and the motor, then it will help dissipate some of that heat a little easier, and this problem should not persist. It's not likely that it will persist again with bigger cables. So hopefully you guys get a good little video here and help some of you out. If your cart just stops running, check all your simple stuff first. That way you can ensure that you don't have a situation like we've had here with the cables burning together and causing a stopping problem. And you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we thank all of you for watching these videos. God bless y'all.